This is unacceptable and you've crossed the line.
Hack their hair? You've crossed a line.
You've been crossing lines for years.
Crossed the line, Lemon.
You've crossed the line.
You crossed the line, Quinn.
You've crossed the line, sir, and
You've crossed the line.
You've crossed the...
You've really crossed the line.
You crossed the line from weird curiosity.
𝗬𝗏𝗏, you've just crossed a line.
I think you've crossed the line here.
Because you never listened to me.
God, you never listen.
Okay, here goes.
You never.
The thing is that you never listen.
You're so determined. You never listen, never learn.
You never listen to me.
You never listen! Never listen!
You never listen.
You never listen.
You never listen. Nobody listens to me.
David.
Something wrong with
But your problem with David, not...
Up from under a rock is your problem, not mine.
And I can't joust with broken armor.
Your problem, not mine.
Look, I'm just saying, this your problem, not mine.
Nice try! Ponyville's your problem, not mine.
Thanks, your problem, not mine.
That's your problem, not mine.
That's your problem, not mine. Problem, not mine.
That's your problem, not mine.
It's your problem, not mine.
I was just being nice.
Your guess or your problem, not mine.
She's like 100.
Okay, this is actually making things worse.
You are only making it worse.
Andy, you are making things worse up here.
This could make it worse. You are making things worse for your son.
You're making it worse. You're making it worse.
And what? You're making this worse.
You're making this worse. Bye, Alec.
You're only making this thing worse.
Only making it worse.
I don't have time for this.
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 I don't have time.
Don't have time for this.
I don't have time for this.
I don't have time for this.
I don't have time for this.
You know, I really don't have any time for this. I don't have time for jokes.
I don't have time for this.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we can.